First of all, gently heat a pan. You don't want it too hot. Just coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil. Pour in your turmeric. You can use golden syrup or honey for taste. I'm using both. And slowly add water until you have a stiff paste, and add enough water for the consistency that you require. Make sure it's well mixed, slightly roasted with the olive oil as well, and then into a jar. I didn't have a funnel, so this is a quick hack. How you can make a funnel very simply by using a bottle and carefully pour your turmeric into the jars, and do remember it stains everything it touches. And there you go, so many health properties. Thanks for watching.